In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload AI music on Distrokid. Before you hit upload, make sure you're legally cleared to distribute your track. If you used an AI tool like Suno AI, Udio, or SoundRaw, open that platform's terms and confirm that commercial distribution is allowed. Paid plans often include commercial rights, but always read the specifics. If your song includes any vocals or samples you didn't create, secure permission to use them commercially. Don't impersonate real artists and keep your session files, exports, and prompts as proof of how the track was made. Next, prepare your audio file. Export your master as a WAV for the best quality. MP3 is accepted but not ideal. A 16-bit 44.1 kHz WAV is a safe, industry-standard choice for streaming. Listen to the final bounce from start to finish to catch glitches or abrupt endings and confirm the volume is consistent. Now, create your cover art. You'll need a square image in JPG or PNG at a minimum of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Use original artwork you own the rights to. Avoid copyrighted images, celebrity photos you didn't shoot, and any logos or trademarks. If you're designing quickly, tools like Canva or Adobe Express can help you build a clean, legible cover that looks good even as a tiny thumbnail. Head to Distrokid and log in. Click Upload to start a new release, then fill out the basics: your artist name, song title, genre, and the release date you want. Upload your audio file and your cover art. Double check spelling and capitalization, and make sure the audio file name and the title in the form match what you intend to release. During the process, Distrokid may ask whether AI was used in the creation of the music. Answer honestly if prompted. Clear disclosure helps platforms categorize your release correctly and can prevent delays or policy issues later. Choose the streaming services where your music should appear. Options include Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, and Amazon Music. Select the destinations that fit your audience and release plan. Finally, review everything carefully and submit by clicking Done or Submit. Distribution typically takes a few days, though timing varies by platform. Be patient and check your DistroKid dashboard for status updates. To recap, only upload music and artwork you have the rights to, avoid copyrighted vocals or samples without permission, don't impersonate anyone, and keep your AI generation files or prompts as proof. Follow these steps and your AI generated track will be ready to go live through DistroKid.